Tutorial on how to get Steam games for free. If you haven't already, consider subscribing if you want more tutorials like this. If you don't have Steam downloaded already, the download link should be in the pinned comments below. First, open the Steam app on your PC. If you can't see it on a desktop, click on the Windows Start. If you still can't see it on a Windows Start, you can search it up. Now you should see Steam on a search. Click on a Steam app. Now you should wait, there will be updates and Steam loading up. You will see that there will be ads popping up, and simply click close and then the ad will disappear. Click on Search and then press Enter or click on the search icon. Once you press Enter or click on the search icon, check the box next to Special Offers and then move this slider all the way to the left. And now you will see the list of all available Steam games that are completely free for a limited time. And the best part is, you would keep these games forever if you claim them now. Just simply click on Add to your account, and then you just have claimed Steam games that are completely free for a limited time. And now you know how to get Steam games for free.